My dear student, hope you all are well. So today in this video we will try to understand the validation based protocol as per our university curriculum topic under the subject of database management system. So quick recap of the previous video. In the first video we were already understand what is the concept of log based protocol. The log based protocol is based on logging approach. That means the shared data item is logged by the one transaction, then after performing some operation it will be release the log, then after another transaction will occur the log and utilize the service of particular data item and perform some operation. Operations may be a read operation or maybe a write operation. As we already know that there are two modes that will be applicable for log based protocol. These mode are number 1 shared mode log, number 2 exclusive mode log. Shared mode log is providing read operation. That means more than one transaction are able to read a same data item. And exclusive mode is a mode is a way where the transaction make a log on the particular data item and perform the read operation as well as the write operation. That means exclusive mode are not permit to other transaction for interruption. And we already know that the compatibility table is a table that is providing a combination of these two modes. In that particular compatibility table of these two mode log, shared mode log as well as the exclusive mode log, we will make a combination. That means shared mode log are permit, and rest of the other mode like shared exclusive shared exclusive are not allowed. So this is the basic of log based protocol. In the second video we were already cover time based protocol. The time based protocol is nothing but that is used the system clock time for maintaining the sequence or a order of transaction for execution or performing the operations out on the data type. So the main role of time based protocol is providing the sequence or the order for transaction. The time based protocol is fragmented into the two category. Number 1 transaction time based protocol, number 2 data item timestamp protocol. Transaction timestamp protocol is applicable for transaction and the data stamp time date and the data item time based protocol is applicable for data. Now today this is the new topic, that is validation based protocols. As the name is suggested, validation. That means the responsibility of this protocol is validate something. What? What is validate by this validation based protocol? If you remember the transaction state diagram, so first state is initial state, then partially committed state, then committed state. If our transaction is executed successfully, then it will be successfully reach to committed state. The meaning of committed state, the transaction is successfully completed and whatever the operations are performed by the transaction is successfully completed as well as update the database. We already know that if something went wrong, that means updation is not successfully completed. Say for the example, if the write operation is not successfully completed, that means it will be not update the database. If the database is not updated, that means the rollback situation will be there. That means this particular situation is activate the rollback condition. The rollback means that there is something went wrong. So this validation based protocol are responsible for validate the operation done by the transaction at on the particular data item. If the data item is used for writing operation, the validation based protocol is check whatever the writing, whatever the write, the content or the value for the particular data item is successfully right, then it will be loaded into the buffer state, and here buffer state is nothing but it's a partially committed state. So validation protocol is check the validity of operation, the operation is successfully complete or not. After checking if the operation is successfully completed, so it will be send it to committed state. When the transaction is reached to committed state, that means your operation is successfully completed and transaction is successfully completed. So this is the responsibility of validation based protocol. So the validation based protocol is used for validate the updation, either maybe a read operation, either maybe a write operation at on the particular data item done by the transaction. If there is no problem, if the update, write value or read value is successfully completed, then the transaction will reach to committed state. So responsibility of the validation is check and validate to operation. So this is the work and the basic introduction part of validation based protocol. Thank you.